Hello friend, welcome our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to import another new PowerPoint slide in existing PowerPoint slide. In this section, I need a new PowerPoint slide that I give my another colleague I want to import here. This is my new PowerPoint slide, that one slide I want to import here. So let's start. For that, import new slide, you can go home. The new slide section, you can click this arrow icon, then reuse slide. In reuse slide, you can find here browse option, click and go new slide section, then select and open. In this case, select here, keep source formatting, already import. Now you see already import. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.